आज हम इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एड्जॉर्प्शन. सो एज वी नो एड्जॉर्प्शन इज अ सरफेस फिनोमिना एंड द एटम्स इन सॉलिड. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम ये सॉलिड मान के चल रहे हैं, सो एटम इन सॉलिड इज बाउंडेड बाय द वीक वैन डर वाल ऑफ फोर्सेस ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बिटवीन देम, बट द अनयूटिलाइज्ड एंड अनबैलेंस्ड फोर्स in the surface is responsible for the adsorption phenomena. As we know, atoms bind करते हैं by some amount of binding force, but जो top layer के present है इनमें ये unutilized valency are present, जो dotted line से present की गई है यहाँ पे. So these are the forces which are responsible for the adsorption of substance only at the surface. Now what happened if we break this surface? So if we break this substance into a powder form, for example, now each of the molecule is separately present and all of its valency are completely free. So we can say number of active site now increases. So the surface adsorption phenomena increase when the substance is present in the powdered form. Reason, now more number of active sites are present in each of the molecule. Now because of presence of this unbalanced force on the surface, it has tendency to attract any of the gas or the liquid molecule towards itself and hence adsorption takes place on the surface. Now as we know, जो हमने activated charcoal का example जो discuss किया था previously, in that case it is also in the powdered form. तो अगर पाउडर्ड फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट है तो नंबर ऑफ एक्टिव साइट पहले से क्या हो गई, इंक्रीज हो गई. सो इट एक्ट एज ए गुड एड्सॉर्बेंट टू एड्सॉर्ब द गैसेस फ्रॉम द एटमॉस्फेयर. नाउ दिस वन इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन दैट एड्सॉर्प्शन इज ऑलवेज एक्सोथर्मिक इन नेचर. डू यू एग्री? हमें ये प्रूव करना है दैट एड्सॉर्प्शन इज ऑलवेज एक्सोथर्मिक इन नेचर. Now according to Gibbs-Helmholtz equation, delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. This equation determines the spontaneity of any of the reaction. So as we know, whenever there is a surface and there is a vacant site present over it and gaseous molecule are also present randomly in the nature, तो इनकी adsorption अपने आप हो जाएगी, meaning they easily adsorb on the surface. तो we can say the process is always spontaneous, meaning delta G is negative. Now for delta G is negative, now discuss about the entropy, change in entropy in this case. So as soon as adsorption takes place, now T delta S decrease or randomness in the entropy will decrease because now they are more easily prepared. Or so when the gas adsorb on the surface, its randomness decreases. Initially it is more random, but when adsorption takes place, there is some orderness, or we can say the random orderness decreases, meaning that T delta S also become negative. Now we know that if T delta S is negative, now in order to make this reaction spontaneous, what will happen? Delta H must be negative, then only we can say it is a spontaneous process. ये हमें पता है that adsorption spontaneous process है, meaning delta G negative हुआ. अब according to equation T delta S negative हो गया, negative negative से positive, तो now the equation will become negative is equal to delta H plus T delta S. Now what will be the condition that it becomes spontaneous? The condition is only that delta H must be exothermic, then only we can say it is a spontaneous process. So ये explanation है through thermodynamically feasibility of adsorption. So in that case you have to write this equation and explain this phenomena. In general इसे हम ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं, initially there are residual forces which are present on the surface. Now as soon as these atoms attach to the surface, now net residual energy on the surface decreases. So we can say it release that energy in the form of heat, hence it is an exothermic. But हमें एग्जाम में जो एक्सप्लेन करना है that is according to the Gibbs-Helmholtz equation, जहाँ पे हमें ये प्रूव करना होगा कि ये कैसे नेगेटिव बना. वी नो दैट ये नेगेटिव होता है, तो ये प्रूफ